Hello mga kaguro, this is Sir Jory, your partner and guide in troubleshooting and working out with your documents. In today's video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano mag-remove ng background sa inyong image for free. Alright, so this time we'll be using a laptop or PC and make sure you have to connect to the internet and open a browser. And this time I'll be using Google Chrome and type remove that BG. This is the background remover that we'll be using. And hit upload image lang po. Search for the image you wanted to remove the background. And here is the image that I'm going to use. And just click that one. So ito po yung image na gagamitin natin. Alright, so after that, just hit download. And the options right here for free is the first one. Anyway, maganda naman po yung quality niya. So ito na po yung image na na-remove natin yung background. Imagine if we're going to compare. So napakalinis po ng pagkaka-remove niya. So we don't need to manually remove. It will be automatically removed using the application. So from this to this. Okay. So, 'di ba, malinis yung pagkakagawa ng background remover. All right, thank you so much mga kaguro. Again, this is Sir Jory. Have a great day.